comes to learning the guitar, if there's one thing that people struggle with, it's bar chords. And I gotta tell you, this is a non-issue. This is extremely easy to do. The problem people run into is they just go about it all the wrong way. So in this video, I'm gonna show you what to do on how to make smooth chord changes, quick chord changes with your bar chords, okay? Let's do it. So in my experience of learning the guitar, I made every mistake in the book except there's one thing that I did right, and it was bar chords, or building up the coordination to do bar chords. I never struggle with this, and my students, we never struggle with this, and it's because I tell them exactly how to do it, and I build their skills the right way. So what happens though is when people try to play bar chords, what do? They first start with the open chords, and then they come across a song that needs, let's say, an F bar chord, and their hands just can't do it. So not only does open chords not prepare you for bar chords, they try to learn the hardest bar chord in the hardest position first, okay? I mean, what can go wrong? So here's what we're gonna do. Check this out. We're gonna start the bar chord here on the, we're gonna do an A bar chord. The secret to doing bar chords is you don't do them. You do power chords. It's that simple, and I did that on purpose. Look, so when you play a bar chord, those two notes, those two fingers, your first finger on the 6th string 5th fret and your ring finger on the 5th string 7th fret, that is the backbone of the bar chord. You can see it right there. So if you can't make the backbone with one motion using only 2 fingers, how do you plan on doing all the fingers and getting the bar in there and making it smooth? It's not going to work, right? People struggle with this, I kid you not, for months or even years, and maybe that's been you. That's okay. We're going to fix this now. So if you play a chord progression, and we can even go back to this one. Let's do the A minor thing. Let's say that's what you're trying to do. Why not just go, okay? And just hit the bar chord. Hit, and you can hear it sounds, bar chord. It sounds pretty much the same. Just do a power chord, but it must be one motion. Okay? This will not work. You may find your fingers need to stretch a little bit, and the thumb, where is it at? Thumb's going to be right here. If your thumb's over here, this will not work. It's like this, right? Hand works like that. So thumb is a little bit low, and right there, allow me to leverage this. And you're just going to play power chords. In fact, I'd recommend learning some cool riffs that use power chords. Whatever, okay? So that's the big secret, dude. I mean, I know it's pretty simple and people struggle with this for months or even years, and you think because it's that simple that this isn't going to work. This works 100% of the time. Again, I never struggled with bar chords because I played rock and roll and heavy metal and I was playing power chords, so when a bar chord came up, when it was time to learn it, I could just kind of do it. A little bit of practice, obviously, but it wasn't like this thing that I had to struggle with, okay? So the trick to doing it is power chords. That is the building block to doing bar chords. It's that simple. Good luck, have some fun, go learn some riffs and songs that use power chords.